How to cancel order on Shein and get a refund. So the first step is to simply go to Shein and then simply tap on me at the bottom and then simply go to your orders and then tap on view all. Now here you're gonna have to simply select the order that you want to cancel and then you should see a cancel button next to it and then you're gonna get a refund. Now you need to keep in mind that as you can see here, you can cancel any order that has been placed but not yet shipped. The most difficult case is when your Shein order has already shipped and you still want to cancel it. The first point is that you cannot actually cancel a shipped order. The only option is to return. So if your order has been shipped, you cannot cancel it and get a refund. You can only return it and then you're gonna get a refund. So basically that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.